So I spent a nice Christmas evening here in my stall, in my shed, and yeah, today I'm heading further on to Buenos Aires. I don't know how many kilometers I do. I don't want to be too fast, don't want to hit Buenos Aires too early. Gotta be there for New Year's Eve for the party, and yeah, take it slow, take it easy. Yeah, everything is packed. Hey, today, incredible. I pulled, here you have the picture. I pulled this out of my tire today. Look, there's still the hole, but it did not went totally through. I was so lucky again. Well, been here in South America for 2 years. Almost once had 2 flat tires, but it was poked, it was on purpose. So, quite lucky. Okay, hit the road, doing 300-400 kilometers in the direction of Buenos Aires, passing Mendoza. Yeah, on the ruta 7, I think it's route 7 through Argentina. Let's go. This is a rough road.
Set it down here, the rhythm of that heartbeat. Pulsing on the gray-black screen in the basement where they had you wheeled down. Your concern for me too.
Make a little break because it's after coming out of the mountains, and then there's the Rio Mendoza, you know, where this light blue water was. It looks actually like, and then there's all around there's wineries, and it looks like the Bay of the Po in the northern Italy. Beautiful, so no wonder that there's a lot of wine. And then here on the Ruta 7 is just straight, boring, and it's hot. It's like 35 degrees, so I'm looking for shade, make a little rest, drink something, have a ciggy. Yeah, take it slow, and then I go on. And I go on. What's the time? 10 to 2. I'm getting tired, but water was necessary. Now we'll head on.
Your concern for me too will go disregarded. There will be no rhythm or rhyme, no reason for why a beat follows a beat, except that it does, and it does, except that
guys, I just yeah, I made it. I had to put some fuel from my 2 bottles here into my tank because I was totally empty, and I just made it to San Luis. And now I'm gonna look for a wild camp spot anywhere around here. And yeah, barely made it.
And we will have no symbols. There will be no imagery except one, that one on the gray-black screen. That one on the gray-black screen. Our composition.
Look at this spot here. Perfect. There's one good to go. Let's see how the rest looks like. There's a spot. Look at it. Yeah, I want to take a bath right there. Buena. Wait. Yeah, this looks like my spot. I got a private beach. Look at that spot, isn't that beautiful? Look at it. I'm gonna set up my tent here. And yeah, I was just I was getting off the interstate of the autostrada, autolinea, whatever. And I was just riding the street, just anywhere outside, so I have bits of silence, and then I saw at the end of the street there's a lake, so I thought I'd check it out. And this is it, free camping. Isn't that just awesome? Where you just travel, you don't know where you're gonna end up in the evening, or you end up with your tent, but then you find a spot like this. Awesome life! Awesome life! That's really epic. Riding the whole day, got a bit sweaty, 35 degrees outside. And you find a lake, get naked and hop in there. There's nobody around. Nobody! Yes, for me. This is, I mean, I don't understand. For me it's not possible going into a hotel, but how many stars it got. Because tonight I got all the stars and I'm alone. This is why I'm doing this. This is perfect, epic. I love it. Buenas noches.